Good day, my friend. On today's video I will show you the brush cutter Stihl FS120, a very nice little machine. What do we have with that beautiful machine? Well, we've got an engine to start with of 30.8 centimeters cubic, which is 1.3 kilowatts. Good thing is that we don't have any electronics on board, so no nonsense, no problems that never end. It's very easy to service. We've got a cutting diameter of 420. Which is ample and sufficient. We've got two different kind of cutting, either the wire or we can go with a blade as well. I will show you the two later. The fuel tank is a bit more than half a liter. It's very easy to service and very easy to use. On top of that, it's very lightweight. So now let me show you a bit how it starts and how to use it. The controls of the machine are very easy. Here it's where we stop the machine or we want to start it, and to start the machine for the first time we go full, okay, and it stays like that. Once the machine has started, we press here and it goes back to its normal position. To stop it, we press it forward. Very easy. Here we've got a pump to make sure we've got fuel in the carburetor. Here we've got a starter if we want to start on a cold day, and that's basically it. Here we pull the cord to start it. Here we fuel it. So that's it. Let me show you now how it starts. So as I say, I put it that way. This I won't use it because it's not cold, so I will pull it and it should start. As you can see, it works beautifully. So now to stop it, like this, and we're done. So now let me try on the bit of a grass. Now that I've shown you how it performs on the grass, we're gonna switch to the blade. Okay, for this we'll have to remove that part of the cover. For this it's slides, you see, like so. So we just press it in. There's a hole here, we place something inside and we can slide it off. Okay, so we use it with the cover like this on the blade, and if we to use the trimmer, we place the back on it. So let's go on something a bit longer now. We are now on the part of the land where the grass is so much taller, where we've got part of the grass that as well thicker. So it's gonna be a bit of a problem if we go in this with the wire. Okay, so for this we'll use the blade, and we'll start cutting, and you will see how it performs. As you have seen, that blade cut very nicely, and anything a bit thick, it will cut it. He has cut here an almond tree, a small one, without any problem. Obviously, it is not a forestal machine, so obviously you can't go on the forest. But if you got a piece of land of 4,000, 6,000 square meter, yeah, that will do the job. You would have seen as well that this cut and just leave the grass cut like that. So this is not a shredding blade. I will show you one here on the video. A shredding blade will actually cut and shred at the same time. So like that you don't have to collect the grass or whatever you've cut. Bear in mind that you can mount it, but I really don't advise it because it makes much more power on the head than it should, and you may break the head of the trimmer, which would be a shame. Okay, now let's talk a bit about maintenance, what we need to look for to make sure our machine are always in top condition. Here we have the air filter, so you unscrew here and you should have access to the air filter. So now this is not a washable one, so if you've got a compressor, you just take it off, up, you see, so it's in very good shape. Okay, so if you got a compressor, you simply open it a little bit, place the air, clean it nicely, make sure here it's clean too, and then you can place it back. Okay, this is very important to check it often. Make sure as well that this works perfectly. It shouldn't stay in like that. It should come always freely. Everything should work properly. Okay, so just make sure of that. Now looking at the front of the machine, the head should be able to turn freely without any strange noise. The cover, the protector should always be free of cracks, because that will be what will protect you. Sometimes you pick a stone, and if you don't have this, that can be very, very, very painful. Okay, here you will see you've got a screw. Okay, so remove that from time to time, about 30 hours of work, and then you place a little bit of grease inside. Just a tear of grease will be fine. Okay, and then you close it up. Your blade, this one is new, but same thing, you shouldn't have any cracks or anything. If there's any crack, discard it. Why? Because I've seen some actually parting out. So imagine if this breaks and flies away, if that goes on your leg, you will be very sorry. Okay, Same thing with this, just make sure it's in a good shape, that this is not coming off, etc., and you'll be good to go. To end that video, what do I think about the machine? Well, Stihl, to start with, makes professional machines that are very durable, that can take a lot of work. If you maintain it properly, they will last you forever. So I think it's, for the price of this machine, I think it's something to go for. Especially you can find all the parts very easily. The parts aren't pricey. So I think it's something good to buy, especially if you maintain it, it will last you forever. So personally, I would go for something like that. Okay, so I hope that you have liked the video. I hope it has been useful to you. Stay tuned on the channel, subscribe, and we'll see each other in the next one. Take care.